Hi everyone, my name is Sanju. If you can't stop smoking, cancer will. Smoking is something that happens every day in our life. It is not odd to find someone smoking in street corners, public places like park, hospitals, and bus stations. Smoking has eventually become a very normal act in a society, and they do not feel like they have to stop it. This causes some people to ignore the negative impact of smoking and continue letting it happen even if they know it. So, why non-smokers and smokers have to pay the same amount of taxes while smokers can enjoy their cigarettes and non-smokers have to suffer from secondhand smoke, which may cause many diseases? Do you think this is fair? If there are no health taxes being imposed on smokers, the amount of smokers will not decrease but only increase. Do you want this to happen? Letting them to have the mindset of smoking is just part of their daily routine. Therefore, in order to solve this issue, there's one method which is the most suitable and most effective one, which is imposing health taxes on smokers. Health taxes are taxes being imposed on unhealthy products, for instance, alcohol and tobacco. When these unhealthy products are being consumed without control, people are going to face a problem known as the non-communicable diseases, NCDs. It includes cancers, cardiovascular diseases, diabetes, and respiratory diseases. Now, let me tell you why smokers should pay health taxes. Firstly, according to World Health Organization (WHO), cigarette smoking had killed 8 million people a year. It is also the most common cause of preventable deaths globally. Other than that, smoking also makes up the risk of heart attack range around 200% to 400% greater than non-smokers. This is the most common issue that smokers face, following up by cancers, especially on the lungs. Smoking is an act that not only gives negative impact on the health of individuals, but also endangers the health of the environment. Cigarette smoking make up the second highest form of plastic pollution due to its microplastic in the cigarette filters. People who smoke will always throw their cigarette butts on the floor, and it may lead to land, air, and water pollution due to its toxic chemicals, heavy metals, and residual nicotine. Moreover, people who are exposed to secondhand smoke will also face certain problems. And one of the most common issues that they are going to face is respiratory issue. If the amount of secondhand smoke they are exposed is too much, the consequences of it is actually the same as smokers. To solve this issue, imposing tobacco taxes is the best way to reduce smoking and extend lives. This means that the government is going to increase the price of cigarettes and tobacco products. When the price of tobacco products is increased, people will start to decrease the amount of usage of it, as low-income people are not able to afford it. Due to this, they have no choice but to quit smoking. Despite many countries is controlling the consumption of tobacco, death rate is continuing to rise. There's a forecast where death rate is going to reach 10 million a year by the 2030s globally. There's another way to reduce smoking rate. Government can work on other comprehensive approach to tobacco control. They can achieve this by including banning advertisement and promotion related to tobacco and strictly prohibit smoking in public areas. With the combination of tobacco taxation with measures, it may be more effective to control the smoking rate. However, the most important part is to win public support and ensure proper enforcement. Imagine what would happen if smokers are imposed with health taxes. This may decrease the consumption of cigarettes and also generate additional tax revenue. Most importantly, it can save lives. According to WHO, when Colombia increased the tobacco taxes by 200%, the consumption of tobacco had fallen by 34%. Therefore, it leads to having a powerful impact on subsequent tobacco-related sickness and death within several years. It can be clearly seen that imposing health taxes on smokers really worked out. This could be a win-win situation for every country. In conclusion, imposing health taxes on smokers have definitely impacted the society a lot. It can not only help to improve the environment, but also help to save the smokers themselves. Why not be the role model to people around you by spreading awareness on the disadvantages on smoking? To do so, I would like you all to contribute by advising your family members or cousin who smokes to stop smoking. It is easier for family members to get advice. From here, smokers who quit smoking can impact people around them that smokes. Thank you.